How to delete all Gmail emails on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete all Gmail emails on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by default you have the Apple Mail app and then you have the Gmail app. If you want to do this via Apple Mail app, you can open it up like this, and then from here onwards you can just go to the Gmail mail over here. Once you select Gmail mail, you can just try to select any of these mails over here and then go ahead and delete those, but it is actually quite difficult from this section as you'd be able to find it. You can of course bulk select it, but you cannot select all of them at once. So after you bulk select them, you can choose to delete them. Now the other is, if you are using the native Gmail application itself, you just have to go ahead and long press on a certain mail and then go ahead and make sure to select all of these mails at once. Once you select all these mails over here, you can just tap the trash icon in order to delete those mails. This way you can delete the Gmail emails on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.